is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Qatar Airways Careers. So first, you may want to head over to careers.qatarairways.com, and from here, all you have to do is click on login. You will then be redirected to the login page, but since we still don't have an existing account, we're going to create one. And to do that, click on new user, and this will redirect you to the sign up page. And from here, all you have to do is enter in all the details about the account that you're trying to create, starting with adding a username. Also, a password, enter it twice, and of course, email address. And once everything is done, just click on the register button. You will then be automatically signed into your newly created account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!